Welcome to Spelling Bee Ninja, where we inspire learners to unlock their potential and master essential skills. If you're passionate about education and are on the lookout for free, high-quality content, you're in the right place. Subscribe now to join our community of learners and educators. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the world of problem-solving strategies, offering you practical methods to tackle challenges with confidence. Let's get started. Problem solving is an invaluable skill in both academic and everyday life. It's the process of finding solutions to complex issues that we all encounter. To solve problems effectively, we need a systematic approach. This begins with understanding the problem thoroughly, which is crucial for successful resolution. Jumping to conclusions or relying solely on the first idea that pops into our minds can often lead to ineffective solutions. Historical wisdom backs this up. The ancient philosopher Plato described the process of solving problems as dialectic, which is all about a structured dialogue leading to understanding. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we see psychologist George Polya publish How to Solve It, a major work that still influences how we think about problem solving. He outlined 4 key steps: understanding the problem, creating a plan, executing that plan, and reflecting on the result. These principles have guided disciplines such as mathematics, science, and even business, emphasizing that effective problem solving goes beyond mere guesswork. It requires keen observation, planning, and logical reasoning. Now, let's explore the structured cycle of problem solving. This process begins by accurately identifying and defining the problem at hand. This first step is critical for ensuring that we're addressing the right issue instead of just its symptoms. The next phase is analyzing the problem to understand its root causes, which helps to contextualize it. Afterward, we generate a variety of potential solutions through brainstorming. It's important to keep an open mind during this stage. Don't worry about reaching the perfect answer immediately. Instead, focus on generating a lot of ideas, as more ideas often lead to better quality solutions. Once we've identified various options, we evaluate these solutions based on their feasibility and potential impact. Selecting the best one equips us to implement it effectively, and this is where the crucial part begins. Implementing the solution means putting our plans into action, and evaluation comes next. After implementation, we need to measure the outcomes against our expectations continuously and make adjustments where needed. This iterative approach aligns closely with W. Edwards Deming's PDCA cycle, which stands for plan, do, check, act. Recognizing that problem solving is rarely linear allows us to embrace the continuous improvement mindset required for successful outcomes. In more complex scenarios, analytical problem solving becomes essential. This is where we break down larger, intimidating problems into smaller, manageable parts. This technique, often described as divide and conquer, helps us tackle each segment systematically. Methods like problem decomposition can be invaluable here, as they help clarify what needs to be addressed first. Root cause analysis assists in revealing the underlying factors of a problem, ensuring that we're focused on solutions rather than just addressing superficial symptoms. Structures like fishbone diagrams or SWOT analyses, considering strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, can equip us with a clearer view of the situation at hand. Did you know that TREES, a methodology developed in the 1950s, is based on analyzing a myriad of patterns to derive patterns in problem solving? These techniques can be extraordinarily helpful, as they guide critical thinkers to dismantle problems thoughtfully and ask, what are the essential parts of this issue, or which components hold the most significance? Another vital aspect is brainstorming and idea generation. This step fosters creativity and innovation. It thrives on an environment where free thinking is encouraged, and judgment is suspended temporarily. When we generate numerous ideas without worrying about their practicality, we often find that quantity can lead to quality. Remember, the goal is to produce a plethora of ideas. Some may seem outlandish or impractical at first, but these can lead you to the best solutions. Creative problem solving often requires thinking outside the box. For instance, the famous 9 dots puzzle illustrates this concept perfectly. Solutions often involve unconventional thinking and a willingness to challenge the status quo. Techniques such as lateral thinking can be immensely beneficial here. It involves viewing problems from unexpected angles or even considering the opposite of what might seem obvious. This kind of flexibility allows us to explore novel solutions and expand our creative thinking. Once we have several potential solutions, effective decision-making becomes crucial. We need to assess our options carefully, weighing their advantages and disadvantages. Setting clear evaluation criteria enables us to compare different solutions systematically. Tools like decision matrices or cost-benefit analysis aid in this process. An engaging method is the 6 thinking hats, developed by Edward de Bono. With this approach, decision-makers explore a problem through different lenses, such as emotional, optimistic, or analytical perspectives. This ensures that we thoroughly analyze our choices before making a decision. However, the selection is just the beginning. Implementation and evaluation of the chosen solution play an integral part in the success of our problem-solving endeavors. Important considerations are planning who will do what and by when, and measuring the outcomes of our efforts. Studies show that many initiatives fail not because the strategies behind them were flawed, but due to poor execution and lack of evaluation. That brings us to the importance of understanding common problem-solving traps. Several pitfalls can derail our efforts. For example, functional fixedness may prevent us from seeing alternative uses for familiar objects, while the Einstellung effect can lead us to default to familiar solutions when better options may exist. Critical thinkers must recognize these mental traps in themselves and challenge their assumptions. Lastly, collaborative problem solving can significantly enhance our effectiveness. Many complex problems require a team approach, as diverse perspectives and skill sets can lead to richer, more innovative solutions. Clear communication, defined roles in teamwork, and fostering psychological safety are essential components for success. Did you know that teams with high psychological safety are more likely to produce better ideas? The power of collaboration means that individuals can build on each other's contributions and learn from mistakes, ultimately enhancing outcomes. As we wrap up, mastering these problem-solving strategies transforms you into a confident and capable problem solver, ready to tackle life's many challenges. It's all about developing a diverse toolkit and adopting a mindset that embraces curiosity, persistence, and learning from setbacks. When practiced consistently, these strategies will not only improve your ability to solve problems but also empower you with confidence and resourcefulness in any situation. Today, we explored problem-solving strategies that equip us to tackle a wide range of challenges. We learned about structured approaches, such as identifying and analyzing problems, brainstorming solutions, and evaluating options effectively. We discussed the importance of breaking down complex issues and fostering a collaborative environment for enhanced creativity. Remember, problem-solving is an ongoing process that requires commitment, reflection, and the courage to adapt. By embracing these skills, you'll become more adept at overcoming obstacles in your academic and personal life. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the art of problem solving. We hope you found today's insights valuable and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to Spelling Bee Ninja for more educational content that empowers you on your learning adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember that every problem is an opportunity for growth.